right, let's car corner. We're gonna get some the big boys out on the track shortly. Gonna get some nitro burning today. This is what we got for a lineup this morning. Some of the big nitro burning slingshot rails coming on up shortly. Can't wait. I need some nitro this morning. Chaos, that's beautiful. Got a couple of super stops and stops going, and we got some big boys coming up. Super cool stuff. Looks like the rain's gonna hold off for a bit. It cleared up. Man, I'm super excited. It's time to get her done, as Larry the Cable Guy would say. Let's get her done. All right. Well, we'll be back shortly and get some top fuel in our lungs. My lungs.